Hi and welcome to the course on building classification models in R. In this course, you will learn how to develop the solution to business problem using three classification techniques. The three techniques you will learn are logistic regression, linear discriminant analysis, and k nearest neighbors. You will learn all the steps including data preparation, pre-processing, running the analysis and interpreting the result so that you can take appropriate business action. Thus, after this course, you will have a strong understanding of classification problems and how to identify and solve classification problems for business benefit. Here is the course structure. The course begins with a section on Introduction to Machine Learning. In this, we will cover what is the meaning of classification and other terms associated with machine learning. I will also list down the steps involved in creating a machine learning model. This list can be generally applied to any model, not just a classification model. Second section is on basics of statistics. This section is pretty basic, but you must know this before moving on. If you are sure that you know terms like mean, median, mode and standard deviation, you can skip this part, otherwise you must watch it. Then we have a section to get you started with R. We will run you through the installation and setup and teach you the basics of R so that you can perform basic operations on your own. The next two sections are extremely important. Data preprocessing is something very few courses or books cover, whereas we believe that this is the critical step which separates a good model from a bad model. In fact, a data scientist's 70 to 80% of time is spent in doing data preprocessing. In the last section, you will learn how to run the analysis and interpret the results. We will be using one dataset throughout the course classes and you will get one dataset for practicing purposes. Usually, each theory lecture will have a corresponding practical lecture in which we will learn how to implement the theory concept we have learned. Note that if you are searching for a course which covers in-depth mathematics behind machine learning or a detailed course on R, this is not that course. In this course, we will use R and statistics as a tool to solve a business problem. So only that part of R will be covered which is relevant for classification problem solving. So if you are ready to learn, we are happy to have you and see you in the next video.